If you want to add a widget to the home screen on Redmi A7 Pro, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then at the bottom you should be able to find the widgets option. Now in here you will find a couple of example Xiaomi widgets, and if you're looking for widgets that have been provided by apps that you have installed, then you can go to Android widgets. And there we go. Now in here you should be able to choose whichever widget you want to use on your phone. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this widget over here. You can, for example, tap on it in order to add it to the selected page. If there is enough space, then of course it's going to be added. But what you can also do is you can simply press and hold your finger on that widget, and then you can just drag it and drop it whenever you want it to be placed. And there we go. This is how it looks like. Of course we can tap on done. Once it is done, this widget is actually loading. And you can also press and hold your finger in order to find the adjust size option, so you should be able to resize the widget in case that's what you need. There we go. Very simple. Now, another thing that you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the widget, sorry, not the widget, you can press and hold your finger on an app on the home screen. And if the app allows you to use some widgets, then in here you will find Add Widgets option. So if you select that option, you will see only widgets that have been provided by the app itself. So then you can just once again press and hold your finger, and then you can just drag it and drop it anywhere you want it to be. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.